Today, I'm going to show you how to create a channel cover for your YouTube channel in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose our design. So I'm going to go down into the create design, and you can see that we have all sorts of different choices. The one I'm looking for is the YouTube channel art. And here it's under the social media and headers area. What this is going to do is it's going to create a blank image. And it'll also give us access to all of these different layouts here on the left hand side. So you can choose like a pre-built layout, or you can build it from scratch. Now keep in mind, when you're doing this, the channel art doesn't show the whole entire image depending on the device that you're on. So what I did was I created this image as an overlay. Screen area I have, and what's like safe for my text and my logos for the different types of devices. So in the blue area, this is our desktop minimum and the mobile, what shows up on your cell phone, for example. The green is the tablet. Desktop max is all the way across. And then the white box, which is like most of the background, it is what you would see if you were watching YouTube on a television. So we're going to go back to our channel art, and you can see that we have a number of different choices here from templates. So just to make things a little simpler for today, I'm just going to use one of these templates as a starting point. So if you've never used Canva before, it's not very complicated. It's a lot of clicking and dragging the different object types. I do have a upcoming course on Canva on how to use it that's going to be released here in the next week or so. And once it's released, I'll post in the comments the link to get into the course. It's going to be a free course. So I'm going to start by replacing the text, and I'm just going to go type my name, and maybe I'll change the text style to something else, and I'm going to change this background to my brand colors, and I'm going to get rid of this photo. So I'm going to go, now I could use the images that come with Canva, or I can bring something in from, say, Pixel, or you can upload your own. So you can see I've uploaded a number of images. I'm just going to grab one of these images here. I like this one. And I'm going to replace my background color with it. So I know the Rob Hellstrom part is going to be safe for most of my viewing area. My background is going to be, I'm watching YouTube from the television. You can add filters, you can add other elements. So let's just go in. We can add some illustrations. So it's not very difficult to get around within Canva. So now I'm just going to quickly check to see if it will be within my safe area. So I'm just going to overlay my image here, and you can see that the blue box is just going to be a little bit outside the bounds. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to take those objects, and I'm just going to shift them down a few. And then I'm going to put my template over top again just to make sure that it falls within the bounds of that. Probably come down a few more pixels. And we'll test one last time here. Yeah, everything looks good. I'm going to give it a name. If I can spell. To cover. I'm just going to click done. And then I can download it. And I'm going to download it as a PNG or a JPEG, whichever you prefer. And once it's downloaded, then we're going to go switch to our YouTube channel, and we will upload the cover from there. So now that that image is downloaded, I'm now going to change my channel art, and I'm just going to drag my photo over, and it's going to upload. Again, the recommended channel art size is 2560 by 1440. You can make it a little bit larger than that, and then you have the ability to crop if you need to. This is what it's going to look like across all my devices: the desktop, the TV, and the mobile. If I'm happy with that, I can hit select. If not, I can change the crop. Again, this is good for an image that is larger than 2560 by 1440, and then you can change the crop. And I like how YouTube now gives us this box in the center, and everything else is grayed out so that you can see what's going to appear on what I would say is most of the devices, like the desktop and mobile devices. So once you're happy, then you can hit select, and it's going to change that banner image. And there you go. That's how you create your YouTube channel art in Canva. I hope you get some value out of watching my videos. If you do, please subscribe to the channel.